Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson SV12. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson SV12 is vibrating like mad and barely picking anything up, you're not alone. This issue often arises due to a faulty motor or a blockage in the cleaner head. If left untreated, it can lead to further damage, making repairs more complicated and costly in the long run. To get started on this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a replacement motor, and a pair of gloves to protect your hands. First, ensure your Dyson SV12 is unplugged for safety. Begin by removing the dust canister and any attachments. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws securing the top cover of the unit. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Gently lift off the top cover, taking care not to damage any clips. Next, you'll locate the motor. It's usually situated at the base of the cleaner head. Check for any visible signs of damage or wear. If you do spot an issue, you'll want to proceed with extraction. Disconnect any cables attached to the motor, noting their positions for reassembly. Then, carefully unscrew the motor from its housing. Make sure to apply consistent pressure, but don't force anything, as you could crack the casing. Once the motor is free, it's time to install the new one. Position the replacement motor in place, securing it with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect the cables, ensuring they are firmly attached. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, it's time to reassemble the top cover. Place it back onto the unit, ensuring it fits snugly. Replace the screws, tightening them gently but firmly. Reattach the dust canister and any other components. Finally, plug the Dyson SV12 back in and give it a test run. You should notice a significant reduction in vibrations and an improvement in suction. To prevent this issue from recurring, make sure to regularly clean the filters and check for blockages in the hose and cleaner head. A little maintenance goes a long way in keeping your Dyson in good working order. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.